This video will discuss how to manually upload data from a 2600 display or 2630 display to Operations Center. From the main map page, select More. Then select John Deere Data Manager if it is not currently installed on your computer. Select the Download button. Then you'll see the file begin downloading to do the installation in the bottom left. Note, Google Chrome is the recommended browser for Operations Center. Also know that Data Manager is now compatible with both Windows and Mac systems. We will wait for the file to finish downloading, and then once it is finished, we will simply click on it to begin the installation of the software. Select Yes if you get a pop-up to allow control. You should see a Data Manager setup screen, and you'll simply click through the prompts to install the software. Select Desktop Shortcut, and then simply click Install to finish. You should see a John Deere Data Manager icon on your desktop. Click on that icon to open the program. Once Data Manager is opened up, make sure you're logged in the top right-hand corner. You'll simply log in with your username and password from Operations Center. Make sure your USB stick or your compact flash card is already installed before opening up Data Manager. This will allow the From line to usually pre-select the drive that the information is in. So in this case, my computer is recognizing the USB drive in the D drive. The to line is going to be the organization that you wish to send the data to. Typically, you'll only have one organization as a customer, and this should automatically be pre-selected. Below, we will see all the files on the USB stick that are available to upload. In this case, I have 38 files. You will typically have many, many more than that, typically a few thousand. Next, I like to go to the Type column and select the files by type. Typically, you'll have load. If you have harvest information, you should have a setup file, and then you could also have a documentation file. Documentation is going to be your as-applied data, whether it be planting, spraying, harvest, etc. This is where the actual information resides. If we sort the type column, we can also find our setup file. The setup file includes all of your field names, boundaries, A/B lines, varieties, chemical names, tank mixes, flags. Those are all included in the setup file. So you may want to upload those to Operations Center. You may not, depending on the situation. For example, if you had a tillage tractor, you may not want to upload the guidance lines from that display in Operations Center. So if we did not want to include the setup data, we could simply uncheck it from the list of files. Typically, if you check the first box, that will select all the files that are available. Once ready, simply click on Upload to upload the information to Operations Center. Depending on the amount of files and your internet speed, it could take a varying amount of time. I've selected just a few files to speed the process up. Once all the files are uploaded, you should see a notification down at the bottom of the screen letting you know all files have finished uploading. Typically, I like to go to the From line, pick the C drive, and then reselect my current drive and see if any files were missed when uploading, which can happen. So I can see I have a few files that were not uploaded, then I could simply upload those again to ensure they make it to Operations Center. If I would like to see files that were previously uploaded that are still on the USB stick, I can click to show previously uploaded files. If I look at my documentation files, I can see the client, the farm, and the field. in terms of the information of what field that information came from if I only wanted to select one field or another for a various reason. I can see the task name, whether it was harvest, planting, etc. I can also see the task when that field was recorded. Then I can also see the profile name. If we have a 2630 display and you had multiple displays on one USB stick, that would help sort out how it was named in the display when it was exported. So this video is showing you how to take information manually from a USB and then upload it to Operations Center using John Deere Data Manager.